Do you want to post photos to Instagram from a computer? I can show you how. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're looking for technology tips, tricks, and tutorials, you've come to the right place.
If you find this video helpful, subscribe.
In order to do this, you have to be using Google Chrome as your browser. It will not work with any other browser. Let's get started. This is my Facebook page. I'm on the Facebook website on my laptop, and you can post here. Instagram is owned by Facebook, so I'm not sure why they haven't updated the website so that people can post from a laptop or desktop computer. There's my Facebook post in real time. Although Instagram is designed to be used on mobile devices, they do have a website. The URL is www.instagram.com. This is the Instagram homepage. You can log in with your Facebook credentials because, as I said, Instagram is owned by Facebook. Click Continue. On your computer, you will see your name. This is my Instagram feed. However, there is no way for me to post new photos from my laptop computer easily. To do this, right-click in the blank space on the page. Select Inspect, and the Developer Tools will open. Click on the square icon on the left-hand side of the Developer Tools toolbar, as shown. Once you do, the web page will change. It will now appear similar to the Instagram feed on a mobile device, and you should have all of the options for adding photos. If you don't see them, just refresh the web page. Now you can add photos to Instagram from a desktop or laptop computer. To do this, click on the plus sign and select the photos that you want to add. You can only add one photo at a time. Select a photo and click Open. Now, the photo will appear. Add a caption. Click Share. And there's the photo posted on Instagram. To log out of Instagram, click the profile icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the page. This is your profile. Click the gear icon and select Log Out. Here's the home page.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave me a comment below and I'll help you. In a moment, you'll see a few of my other videos appear on screen. Feel free to check them out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.